here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today's workout is a 15-minute walking workout. Before we start, please check around you. There's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on or trip over or bash into. You only need the space of your fitness mat. Anytime it seems too much for you, please make the steps smaller. Leave out any arm movements. Take it to 2 steps. Don't worry too much if you're not on the same beat as me. It really doesn't matter. What matters is that you're moving. Well done. Add some arms. Right arm goes out to the side, left arm. So trying to keep that at shoulder height if you can. If it's too much, by all means, make it smaller. I will give some slightly more advanced options for people that have been with me for a while or that are a bit more experienced but just want routines at this level. Back to singles. Swing the arms to little bicep curls. So taking the arms to the side. Taking them side to side. Well done. Bring it forward for 4, 3, 2, and back. 4, 3, 2, well done. Back to double steps, so those double arms even. Side arms. Back to singles with a bicep curl. Now if you've got room, bring it forward to me. 4, 3, or 2 if you can only make 2, that's fine. If you've got lots of space, you can make it nice and big. I do that, I come off camera. So keep it at your level. You might only want to do 2 bigger ones, 2 forward, 2 back. Take it to side steps, 2. Arm out, well done. If that's getting too much for you, leave the step, leave that out. Don't overdo it. Remember, we're trying to get through to the end of the 15-minute workout, so you've got to pace yourself. If you're already breathless, it's too much for you. Well done. Just keep those feet moving through the gap onto the next track. Softly kicking the feet across. So we're adding a tiny bit of balance here. Keep the knees soft. Take it out to the side. So those that can are going to stand on one leg and let it swing out to the side to challenge your balance. If that's too much, just touch the foot to the side. Just challenge your core muscles, your central muscles. Try and keep your body upright, don't look down at your feet. Let's take it to a touch with a little bend in the middle. Again, the bend is optional. Bringing the elbows up, working the back of the arms. So I'm trying to keep the elbows in line with the body, as if I'm between 2 panes of glass and I can't take my shoulders forward. You just take it as high as you need to feel it in the back of the arms. Try and keep the hands relaxed. Well done. Kick the feet across again. Nice soft knees. So both knees, the leg that you're straightening still has a slight soft bend. The other leg, a little bit of bounce in it. If going across doesn't feel right for you, just take it as a small tap maybe. Tap the foot in front. but I really want you to be challenging your balance. It's not much of a challenge because we're doing it fairly fast, but for those of you that really need it, you will notice working the hip muscles here. Okay, take it to a side step. Two steps and back. Well done. Arms again are optional. Let's challenge the brain a little bit. Down, side, up, side, down, side. Again, you don't have to do the arms. You can make the feet much smaller. Oh, let's challenge it a bit more. Forward and up, forward and up, forward and up, forward and up. Can you alternate those? Down and up, forward and up. Whoa, down and up. Maybe I can't. If you can do that, keep going. If not, join me with the supervision. Right, you have a choice now. Grapevine if you want. So grapevine. Step, cross behind, step together. Those that know what you're doing, keep going. Step to the side, little side arms. So this routine has the grapevine in it. If it totally confuses you, don't worry. Just go with a double step, watch what we're doing, and then when you join me in another video, you can have another go at doing the grapevine. Lifting the arms out to the side, just relax shoulders. Let's take it to two steps with a push with the arm. And the other side, well done. Going to change the arms to a swim with the arms. So swim and pull, step together, step and touch, step together, step and tap, step together, step and tap. The grapevine, we cross behind in the middle. So if you know how to do it, keep going. I'm going to turn around in a moment and show those of you that don't know. If you can't do it, please stick with the double step, just add the arms. So it's step, cross behind, step and tap, step, cross behind, step and tap, step, cross behind. If you tap in front, cross in front, your balance goes, so it's much better to stand back. So we're going to add a little more definite tap on the end. Or knee lift if you want to. Again, your choice. Do what feels right with the arms. If you don't like my arms, I'm stuck with them, I have no choice. Go back to the double side steps. Maybe keep it a bit smaller if you need to catch your breath. If you don't need to catch your breath, keep it bigger. Maybe a little hop in the middle. If you want to just add a little bit of impact, but you can keep it low. It is to catch your breath, so it might be tiny. Or it might be big. Nearly fell off the end of the mat then. Let's go back to the grapevine. And tap. I'm going to keep the leg low this time and I'm going to change the arms. Arm, up, down. So that's quite difficult. Side, up, side, down. So you might want to just go with a double step. Keep it small, work on the arms. But if you can do the grapevine as well, You're going to challenge your brain and your body. Depends how good you are at the grapevine. If that really is too much, you could maybe just try the arms with the feet, or just join me this way anyway. Quite hard on the arms. Shake them out. Just doing a jogger's walk with me. Move across to the left side of your mat. We're going to go back to that double step or grapevine. Cross, step. Nice and slow, catch your breath. Taking your arms above your head really works the heart quite hard, particularly if you're unfit. Go up to speed. If you want. If you'd rather stay half time or do double steps, that's your choice. Well done. You're doing great. You really are. If you're still here with me, pace yourself. Get to the end of the workout. I'm quite warm already, and it's a cold day here in England. Let's take it to heel lifts. On side, up, side and down, side, up, side and down. Side and down. Let's try side and in front, out, up, out and in front. A couple more, make it go through the gap. Well done. Side step. So keeping the feet a lot smaller, we're bringing the heart rate down. Well done. You've been working out really hard today. Just make it through to the end, finish with a stretch. Bring the feet in. Front this time with a heel dig. So I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Just sticking the heel out, sticking that heel up. But it's not big. Let the shoulders relax. Keep breathing, nice deep breaths, catch your breath. Back to side steps. Well done. Hope you've enjoyed today's workout. We're not quite finished yet, we're still walking through, but taking our heart rate down, slowing the beat. Heels in front. So I'm taking it right across in front. If that doesn't work for you, just take it out in front. You've got to work with your body. If your balance doesn't allow you to go across, or it's uncomfortable on your ankles, uncomfortable on your hips, just do whatever you need to do. So this is fine too. This is fine if you need it to be even. 4, 3, 2, back to heel raises. Lift. Side and back, side and back. Well done. Let the body sway, sway, sway. If that doesn't feel right and makes you feel giddy, please just do a small side step. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel in front. Heel raises. Try and keep those hips facing me. Well done. So we're not twisting side to side or sticking the hip out. Pulling the belly in, keeping the head up, shoulders back. Pull the shoulders back. Nice and relaxed circle though. Shouldn't be tense. You're ready to march. Right, left. Or left, right, really doesn't matter. 3, 2, 1 and a heel dig. 3, 2, 1, heel forward. If heel doesn't work for you, go with a toe tap, that's fine too. Keeping it small. Out to the side, 1, 2, 3, out to the side, 1, 2, 3 to the side. Let's finish with a stretch. I'm going to get you to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips, take the right foot back, both feet are pointing forward. We're going to lift up onto the toe. So by lifting up onto the toe, we're going to make it a lot easier to have your foot in the right position. Quite often the foot turns in and that's very difficult then to put your heel down. Now push that heel all the way to the floor. Look at my position. My knee is above my ankle. Leg is straight. Fairly straight line, so my lower back is relaxed. I'm not arched back, I'm not folded forward. You can put the hands on your legs if you want, that helps balance a little bit. If it's a little bit too hard, obviously your foot's going to be here. If you're really flexible in your hamstrings, in your calf even, you're going to have that heel a lot further back. Somewhere that's comfortable. Watch you're not pushing too far forward. Feel what's going on with your knee. That knee should be, you should be able to see your toes, it should be lying forward. Beautiful. We do exactly the same on the other side. So taking the foot back, put the heel to the ground and lift and lower. So you're going to do it where your heel touches the ground. We're trying to keep the knee roughly above the ankle, somewhere between the ankle and the toes, not overshooting. Well done. Now push that heel down and lean into that stretch. I need to come a little bit further forward to get a stretch this side. Well done. Shake out. Well done for getting to the end of the workout. I hope you enjoyed it today. Join me again for another workout next time. See you again. Bye for now.